Today, we're bringing you 4 easy ways to optimize your YouTube channel for engagement and growth with the latest updates in 2021 to 2022. And at Magic Links, we're all about encouraging creator success. So with us, you'll make more money faster. Hit the subscribe button to follow our social channels, where you'll get the latest insider tips on how you can best monetize your content. Let's dive right in. Your links need to be seen, and the way YouTube is laid out on both mobile and desktop makes it tricky for viewers to notice your links. Let your audience know you have everything linked in the description with a pinned comment or in the title of your video. That way, your fans know exactly where to look to shop all of your favorite products. In your video, announce that your products will be linked in the description within the first 30 to 60 seconds, just like all of our top creators do. It's essential to review your past videos and update the titles, pin comments, and descriptions. You've already put in the effort to create those videos, so let's get around this update and make the most of your linking efforts to generate some income. After uploading your latest YouTube video, take the time to share it across all of your social channels as long as your other socials show relevant content to your YouTube videos. Make sure to mention that all of your products will be linked in the description. You can also help your followers find the description on mobile by mentioning the little arrow on the right corner. Ideally, you should respond to YouTube comments within 1 to 7 days of your video launch. Make sure to spur quality comments that help lead your audience to your product link. Is there a comment on clothing color options, makeup shade ranges, or cheaper alternatives? Respond to them, letting them know that you have all of the information in your video description. At the very end of your video, make sure your audience wants to see more of your content by adding an end card with past videos, plus a message to check out your product links in the description below. Make the end card easy for your audience to digest, and remember to add your YouTube profile pic or logo, all of your social handles, and your Obsessed With It link. You can easily link all of your products on your Obsessed With It link and bio page, plus your other social channels you want to promote, and any shopping guides, lists, wish lists of products. Use that single link to place in your description to keep everything in one place. Make sure your links are near the top so it's easy for your audience to immediately see. Utilize these easy tips to help optimize your social channels on your creator growth journey. Let us know in the comments if there are any hacks you've come across that can help other creators optimize their YouTube channels. Want access to over 5,000 plus of the world's leading brands and your very own Obsessed With It link and bio page? Apply to join our creator community today, and obviously, the link will be in the description.